Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Instagram app and going straight to direct messages. This saves time. Tap the paper plane icon, then open the specific chat. Once the conversation is visible, tap the chat name at the top to open chat settings. You do this because themes are stored per chat. Accessing settings is the only way to change them. Make sure to confirm you're in the right conversation before proceeding, since themes apply only to that chat. Now in the chat settings, tap Appearance or Theme. Instagram labels vary by app version. You'll see a list or grid of themes. Select Default to remove a custom theme. Once you pick Default, Instagram resets colors, background, and special reactions to the app's standard look. If Default is not obvious, scroll through options until you find a plain or original option. Tapping it immediately previews, so make sure you like the reset before exiting the menu. Finish by tapping Done or simply go back. Changes usually save automatically. If the custom theme still appears, force close and reopen Instagram. This refreshes cached settings. Once done, log out and back in only if restarting the app didn't help. If the problem continues, check for an app update. Older versions sometimes misapply themes. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall Instagram as a last resort. This removes corrupted local data and restores normal appearance settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.